Hello guys, this is Chris from Teqstories. Today we are going to discuss how you can go ahead and create a virtual machine using the PowerShell commands. Now I'm going to go ahead and connect to my Azure account. That is what the first step I need to follow. So what is the command here is, it is connect -az account. Okay, this is what the one you need to do it first of all. And then it gives you a login page. So I will enter my username and the password. Okay, yes, that's it. Now I have been connected to my Azure account. In order to check that out, what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna see what are the resource group inside my Azure. So what I'm gonna do here is, this is what the command, it is get AZ resource group. So if I give it out here, I will getting a list of Azure resources in my Azure account. So first I have Cloud Shell Storage, and I have Network Watcher, and I have a new RG. That is what the resource group I have it here. So what I'm gonna do here at this time, I'm gonna create a new resource group using the PowerShell. All right, how can I do that? Here is I need to type new -az and resource group. Okay, if you type tab, everything will be coming up for you. All right, and I will go and write new AZ resource group, and if I type this one, I will be getting a page resource group, and I'm gonna name it as PowerShell. Okay, can you AZ resource group, I need to give it out a name here. Okay, name is, I need to give -name PowerShell. That's it. And what is the location I need to place? And I will place in the location in the East US. That's it. Okay, I'm gonna click on enter. Now a new resource group has been created successfully, and if I type here get AZ resource group, I'll be getting a thing here. See, resource group name PowerShell has been created. Now what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna create a new virtual machine. So how can I do that here? I will go down and create a new virtual machine. So I need to type new -az and VM. Okay, and what is my resource group name? PowerShell, right? I'm gonna place it in the PowerShell, and I'm gonna give a name. What is my new virtual machine's name? That is new VM. And what is the location? I will go down and give the location, that is East US. That's it. All right, so this is the bare minimum requirements, and it is well and good to go and do some stuff. So what comes into picture here this time, it will be asking for us a username and the password, because it is going to create a Windows machine behind the scenes. So it requires a username and the password, because for the virtual machine we need to configure a lot. But what we did here is we have just given a new AZVM resource group name PowerShell. That is what the resource group name PowerShell, and we have given a virtual machine a name, that is new VM, and the location East US. That's a very basic requirements we have given. So what is the another requirement here is we need to give a username and the password. So I will give the username and the password as well. Okay, and that's it. And within few minutes my Azure virtual machine will be creating. See here, it has been started deploying. Let's wait for that. We should have a virtual machine with named new VM. Okay, let's try to see. Okay, now what is saying, like, it has been successfully created the VM. Now what I'm going to do here is I will quickly dive into my Azure portal, and let's try to see that. Okay, now I'm on my Azure portal, and I will go to my virtual machine page, and let's try to see that. See, a new VM has been created, and as of now we shall also see that here. What is the resource group? The resource group that is named PowerShell, we have created one, and it is the status is running, and this is what the location East US, and we haven't given any of the thing like the operating system or the size. So it has been automatically, it's going to create a Windows operating system, as well as it is going to give a basic size, that is standard DS1 version 2, which holds one virtual CPU with 3.5 GB of RAM, and also it gives a public IP address as well, and a virtual network has been created, a subnet has been created, everything has been created behind the scenes. All right, so this is the way you can go on and create a virtual machine by using the PowerShell, by using Azure AZ module. And I hope this video was somewhat informative and useful.